Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Very good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Uh, the homework was to solve level 2 questions till 50.
What?
You, uh, wait. This was the homework up till 50, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Uh, Tell me this one, 29. Cut vegetables turn brown when exposed to air. This is due to
Ma'am, should we chat?
this is due to come on, tell me.
Oxidation?
Option B.
Only two answers I can hear. Option B. You mean Pritesh, what are you doing?
Ma'am, that was by mistake, ma'am.
Okay, it's okay. I can hear only two voices. Oxidation. Others, cut vegetables turn brown. Why?
Ma'am, oxidation. Ma'am, oxidation.
Pardon?
Oxidation, ma'am. B.
Oxidation, actually. Yeah. Can anyone explain what is oxidation?
Ma'am, is
What
there
do
like
you mean by oxidation?
there is a
It is like
formation of
when not like when a substance comes in contact with oxygen.
Speak loudly, please.
When a substance comes in contact with oxygen.
Substance comes in contact of oxygen, right? So that leads to the color change of what types of objects? Is it
Apple.
only with the vegetable? Means
Fruits also.
eatables? Hmm?
Ma'am, is it with like iron
Fruits as
also?
well.
a few metals.
Yeah.
Ma'am, like iron gets rushed when it's exposed to air.
Yes, it's not only with eatables, not only with vegetables and fruits. You know, I've noticed color of fruits means so quickly change now when we just leave them open, right? Like banana. And apple also color change, hardly it will take 5 minutes for the color change. Apart from there, few vegetables also, and yeah, metals also, and the oxidation of metals is known as corrosion.
Yes.
Right? And specifically, corrosion of iron is known as rusting. Okay.
Rusting.
Tell me 36. 36. For crystallization to take place, a solution must be
Ma'am, it needs to be
Saturated.
saturated.
right. For crystallization to take place, the solution must be saturated. Like you people already performed, few of you definitely performed that separation of salt or sugar. So we add the salt or sugar till the time no more solute can be dissolved in it. Tell me 41.
Ma'am,
Example for exothermic reaction.
ma'am, I can't see the question.
Exothermic reaction means you can't see what. Exothermic reaction is what? Tell me, come on.
Ma'am, melting of ice cubes?
First, I want to answer what is meant by exothermic reaction.
Ma'am, it
Those who are
releases
fine,
heat.
please come up.
Ma'am, it releases or absorbs heat.
Which absorbs heat.
Ma'am, it either releases or absorbs.
Hamza, you tell?
Ma'am,
Yeah, like I'm just saying, like, is it releasing heat?
Are you guessing, Siddhant?
No, not guessing. I'm telling like that only. It means releasing heat only.
Okay. Hamza, what do you say?
no, I heard you calling me this way.
Sorry?
I'm sickly heard you calling me.
Ma'am, like it
Hamza will
absorbs heat.
First of all, exo word means when something is released out. And what is released? Heat.
Heat.
Okay. And the other means the opposite of exothermic is endothermic. The word endo means absorption of something, and that absorption is thermic means heat. So heat absorption is endothermic reaction like photosynthesis or cooking of food, whereas exothermic is release of heat. Yeah,
Ma'am, so
release
like
of heat. One
I'm just saying, like,
example is
ma'am, is
is
the
it
answer B?
respiration is an example of release of heat. Sorry.
Like, is the answer B? For
Hmm?
41th question is the answer B.
ma'am is it option?
Decomposition.
Ma'am, option C.
Decomposition.
I'm like,
Are you
ma'am, I
asking?
was thinking about cooking an egg, but then I got like cooking an egg means it requires heat absorption to cook the egg, right? But in decomposition of vegetable matter in decompose, it releases heat because of the
Yes.
breakdown of the organic matter.
Cooking of I'm sharing the screen again. Wait.
Okay, ma'am.
Cooking of anything or baking of anything requires heat. Whenever we cook food, we require heat. Just a second.
Ma'am, is it the option is B?
Wait, let us discuss. Now, hold on, have patience. These are not the answer as they both require heat. So these are the examples of endothermic. Okay. Absorption of heat. Melting of ice cubes. When ice cubes are melting, do you feel hot? Means you feel some heat is released.
No, ma'am.
So decomposition of vegetable matter into compost. Whenever you will go near to the decomposition of vegetable matter, like sorry, in many of the parks, you will find that compost pit separately. Okay, and that is all accumulated with means covered with material, so that and whenever we remove it near to that area, you will definitely find heat. So decomposition of vegetable matter is the answer, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So it releases heat.
Pardon?
So like decomposition of vegetable matter, does it release heat?
Yes. Now tell me 46.
Ma'am, are you sharing your screen?
Yeah, screen is already shared.
Ma'am, I can. Ma'am, now it is.
Ma'am, still it is black.
Tell me 46. Incorrect.
And the screen is black.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, wait. I'm sharing again. Wait, sharing again.
But I'm done with that question.
Tell me if now it's visible.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am, it's just showing the post to start screen sharing.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am, it's visible now.
Ma'am, now it's visible.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Now
Ma'am, option
Yes,
C.
ma'am, now it is.
46 now. Which of the following statement is incorrect?
Ma'am, C.
Huh?
ma'am, is it
C.
C? No, option.
Reduction of biomass from animal waste is a physical change.
Ma'am?
Okay, because yes, it is a chemical change.
Ma'am, can you just scroll up once?
Wait.
Like, did we did that 40-second question?
42nd, no. Okay, tell me 42nd now.
Ma'am, B.
Ma'am, B.
Given reaction is an example of FeCO4, COCO4.
Ma'am, double displacement reaction.
Is it double displacement?
Ma'am, it can be double or it can be redox.
Yeah. Ma'am, it can be. It is.
Because definitely not it is neutralization, because that
Yes,
neutralization is
ma'am.
reaction of a acid and a base. Okay. Precipitation in which some precipitate is obtained. So
Yes,
I
ma'am.
copper will wait. Redox means reduction and oxidation means some object is gaining oxygen and other is losing oxygen. It will be redox only because double displacement means suppose I'm writing, let me think of an example.
Ma'am, is it single displacement?
Yes, this is either single displacement or which is simply displacement. Double displacement means, suppose if there would be Fe, what should I write? FeCl3, then CuCl2 plus FeSO4. If FeCl3 would be the formula in reactant, and in product CuCl2 was obtained, means copper chloride, then that will be termed as double displacement, means two of the different um, elements have displaced the other two. Okay, and in the present, in the given actual one, this is only displacement, not double. Precipitation means in which some precipitate is obtained that is resting at the surface now. So this is redox, because iron is adding oxygen, means added with oxygen, and copper has lost the oxygen. That's why. Redox reaction you can write down in your notebook. This is the combination of reduction as well as oxidation.
Like here, iron is it's getting oxidized and copper it's getting reduced, right?
Ma'am, what is the meaning of oxidation?
Spelling. Oxidation means, okay, wait, let me hold. Oxidation reaction is the one in which any substance is added, gains oxygen. Addition of oxygen to a substance. Like in case of, color change of metals, like iron specifically, it accumulates a layer. Yeah, not only oxygen is responsible, other gases are also involved in the rusting process, but oxygen mainly, because oxygen is highly reactive. Means oxygen is reacting even with the eatables, the food material. They are leading to the color change. So any substance which adds oxygen to it, that reaction is known as oxidation reaction. Fine.
Okay.
And reduction reaction you can understand by the opposite of it. I'm writing in short. Any substance, I'm writing loss of oxygen from any substance. Like in the above this one reaction in 42, copper sulfate was having oxygen in, like, it's okay if it was with sulfur, but yes, it lose oxygen and it became only copper. You can note these down. I already told you about neutralization, I guess displacement also, and precipitation also. So redox is the one where oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously, and individually they both means this. Noted?
Yes, ma'am.
Uh, 47.
Ma'am, B.
Correct statement this time to tell formation from leaves is a chemical change. Chemically, iron and rust are same. Chemically, iron and rust are same.
Ma'am, just a minute. I'm just telling the answer.
Breakdown of ozone to oxygen is a chemical change, and zinc coated iron pipes rust easily.
Ma'am, option B.
E.
This one,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
because chemically iron and rust are not same. Rust is the oxidation of iron, and zinc coated they not rust easily, but they are protective from rust impact. So first and third. Okay, fine. B part. Right.
Ma'am, it's B.
Hmm. Okay, let's fill in the blanks now.
What about the next question?
Fill in the blanks.
We will not have that 48th question.
See, seventh class means that also was your homework, and nobody told me that we haven't done homework. That I thought, you can let's check what these people have done. So please do the homework. These were just MCQs. Hardly takes 10 minutes to be solved.
Ma'am, I did.
C48 now.
Ma'am, what is silver bromide?
I'm telling you the formula. Silver bromide is the accumulation of sulfur compounds. Oh, sorry, not sulfur, bromide compounds. So silver, when reacted with bromine, forms silver bromide. When it is exposed to light, it forms silver metal and bromine vapors. This reaction comes under the which of the following category?
And decomposition.
If you will just keep silver bromide in sunlight for some time, you will notice silver will be different, and bromine vapors means bromine will like evaporate.
So is the answer decomposition?
Yes, this
Ma'am,
is
can you show more
decomposition.
option?
Okay, I'm showing the more option, but the answer is definitely decomposition because a single reactant is splitting up into two products. So
Yes, ma'am.
decomposition. Okay. Single displacement, double displacement, or combination. Tell me 49 now, quickly. 49. 49.
Ma'am, is it option A?
Ma'am,
Process of respiration is oxidation reaction between
Ma'am, is it option?
Option A.
process of respiration requires heat or it releases heat?
Ma'am, is it
Releases.
option D?
Releases heat.
Ma'am, is it option D?
Ma'am, so it's D, ma'am.
Ma'am, answer D.
Ma'am, D.
Yes. C 50th.
Ma'am, 58 is C. Ma'am, C. Ma'am, is the answer C?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, is the answer C?
Chemical reaction between quicklime and water is characterized by changing quicklime color, changing temperature of mixture. No. Slaked lime, formation of slaked lime precipitate.
But is it something like it is precipitating? No, right?
Yeah, it is precipitating. Quicklime is CaO, calcium oxide, which is a powdered form of calcium, you can say. And when we add water, like, this is an example of whitewashing. When we add water to it and apply on the walls, after 1 or 2 days, you find a thick layer of that accumulated.
Actually,
With
I thought
the
C
release of
because
some heat, with the release of some heat as well. Like after whitewashing, if you go into that room, you will feel heat and something like eye burning sensation. That
yes,
is
ma'am.
because of heat release.
So B is the answer.
Yeah. Now start doing fill in the blank.
Ma'am, can we see the answer?
Hmm?
Should we put the answer in chat or we can say the answer?
Chat now, chat. Everybody is supposed to answer, okay? I'm telling.
Okay.
Repeat 5 responses.
I'm sending all the answer at a single
No,
time.
no, 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 don't do this, please, because everybody's answering, so I cannot scroll up to that level.
Okay, ma'am.
When the Ashwagandha transfer Ashwarya, is it calcium carbonate? Calcium carbonate is not a gas. One is carbon dioxide.
Yes, ma'am.
CO2, carbon dioxide. Right, second now. Process of mixing a non-metal or metal to a molten metal is known as
I sent the answer.
waiting for rest of you quickly.
Ma'am, the second one, right?
Second one, yeah. Okay, great, great. All the answers are correct. Shriyans, Ritesh, Advita, Siddhant, correct. Rest of you, please share quickly. Children, but seriously now, I feel disappointed sometimes. When after the chapters we have already discussed and have done for the first time very slowly, and still in the revision part, we are not coming up. Third, physical changes are generally dash in nature.
Unsent.
Good, 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 good. They are generally reversible in nature. Exposed cut surfaces of fruits and vegetables turn brown due to. Good, good, good. Great. Only Siddhant, Sritej, Advika, Sriyansh, these people are active. Rest of you, Aishwarya, good. Good, good. Rohini, Adrit. Oxidation. Chemical changes are permanent and usually dash in nature. Great. More answers. Only Sritej answered fifth one. Salts next. Salt is obtained from seawater by the process of. Although there should be two blanks, but it's okay if single blank is there, you can write. Mainly, we will say that evaporation, isn't it?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, but yeah, crystallization is the next process. With a combination of water and oxygen or iron. Wait. Combination of water and oxygen on iron, new product is formed. Rust or iron oxide. Great. There can be two answers. Rust or iron oxide. Chemical formula of rust is
Done.
good, good, good. Fe2O3 dot few molecules of H2O, or you can simply write Fe2O3. Means not iron, but mainly the attack of oxygen. Fe2O3. Process of depositing zinc on iron to prevent rusting is called. Good, Siddhant, Advika. Rest of you quickly. What this process is called? Heat may be evolved or absorbed during a what type of change? Good. No, it's not exothermic, Advika, because exothermic is only release of heat, evolution of heat, evolved of heat, not absorbed. So if heat may be evolved or absorbed, that is in general, we will say that type of change is chemical change.
Okay, ma'am.
Dash gas is given out when vinegar is added to baking soda. Means acid and base. Right?
Done.
If you want to note these, please do note, because else I'll scroll up the page. Should I raise?
Yes. Done.
Hmm. We did till 11. Mute your mic, please. Yeah. Start from 12. Copper sulfate solution is blank in color and turns dash when iron nail is added to it.
Ma'am,
Okay. Great. Originally it is blue in color, and when we add iron nail, changes to green. Okay. When magnesium is burned in air, a new substance is formed, which is okay. What's the formula for magnesium oxide?
MO2.
MgO.
MgO.
MgO2.
MgO.
Uh, 14 and 15 also, do it quickly. A dash reactive element displaces dash reactive element from its salt solution. You remember this equation? Why here in the product iron takes the place of copper and gives us iron sulfate because iron is highly reactive. Okay,
Ma'am, so can it be a less reactive?
now highly reactive element displaces a less reactive element.
Yes, ma'am.
The change and what this type of equation is known as displacement. Next, change in which a substance is in a different state but having similar chemical properties is formed is a substance in a different state but having similar chemical properties.
Ma'am, I said my answer in chat.
Okay, checking fastly. See, because not the change is not absorbed in chemical properties, so this change will be the change of state is physical only. Yep. Fine. Okay, children. After this, we have glucose. And please, now I hope that all of your exams are over. So please practice the questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Assertion reason, I'll tell you what to do for them. Okay.
Okay,
Thank
ma'am.
you, bye everyone.
Bye,
Thank
ma'am.
you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.